Notches. What do they do? Where do they go? What do they tell us?
Notches are markers on patterns in the seam allowance. They are transferred to fabric to help us assemble corresponding pieces and sew the garment accurately. In commercial home sewing patterns, they are triangular wedge shapes that can be cut in or out. In professional and industrial patterns, they are short, straight lines, usually cut into the pattern with a notcher and then transferred to the fabric with a short snip. This saves time and money in labor and fabric cost in production. One notch always matches one notch, two with two, three with three, etc. Two notches usually indicate the back. For instance, the back of the sleeve is fitting into the back armhole of the body. Notches tell us many things: where dart legs meet, the center front and back, which helps us align collars, facings, waistbands, and so forth. Where seams are joined, they not only indicate the amount of seam allowance taken, but also the direction the seam will be sewn in. They are markers for pleats, gathers, pockets, hemlines, and so much more. If the fabric is fragile or frays easily, you can also mark the notches with thread using tailor tacks.